The purpose of this video is to show you how to use resources at the State Library of New South Wales. To get to the State Library of New South Wales, simply Google State Library of New South Wales, click the link, bookmark this page. What we're going to do today is look for resources on Pemulwuy, the Australian Indigenous resistance fighter. This is the home page, this is the search box, and this is where we will begin our search today. We've got a range of resource types in the results page, and we can see there are quite a few pages of results. It makes it very clear if it's an online resource where you can download an article or it's a physical book, because basically if it doesn't tell you it's online, it's a physical resource in the library. But there might come a time when you want to actually go into the State Library of New South Wales, so I'm going to show you how to order the book. So this says for use in the library. You'll need a library card. So in order to log on, you need a library card. It's easy enough to join the State Library online, and you get a library card number, and that's what you use to log in. I've already logged in, so it's not going to ask me again. Choose a reading room. Both of those reading rooms are lovely. I might choose the Bashir reading room. Now the great thing is that you can order the book from home. It will be waiting for you by the time you get to the library. So you walk into the State Library of New South Wales in Macquarie Street, maybe with a friend. You might have a nice little drink or whatever in the downstairs cafe, and then you make your way to the reading room. It will be very, very useful for you to build up confidence in using resources at the State Library of New South Wales. But remember, you don't have to go to the physical library. That's not necessary. Here we are back at the results page. This little sign, full text available, means that it's an electronic resource that I can download. Pemulwuy. Click onto that. And here we are. So you don't have to log in. That's just if you pay a whole lot of money to have access to Informit, and you're not a member of the State Library of New South Wales, but you are. So you get this resource for free. You've already logged in, so you can just hit view the PDF. And you can see the little teacup fill up as the article downloads. Hit the download button here to save it onto your desktop. Perhaps you can title a folder and it's sitting there, and you can accumulate these wonderful resources so that you are going to write very rich, informed responses. It doesn't have to be written responses, of course, whatever form that you have chosen or you are required to respond in. Notice that at the top of the results page there is a search box, so you don't have to keep on returning to the home page of the State Library of New South Wales to return. The search box is here. Now we are going to look for relevant articles in Britannica Online, which is great because it's got 3 levels of difficulty: kids, teens and adults. It gives us choice, and of course we can look at all 3 levels or just choose one. So let's search for this resource. It's the first one listed. Again, it is necessary to have a library card with a number to access this resource. At the bottom of the page, we are told that registered New South Wales residents, that's you, once you've got a library card with a number, may log in from home or school, anywhere, in fact, that is not the library. Here we have the 3 levels: kids, teens and adults. To return to this home page of Britannica Library, simply hit this button here. Why don't we start off with kids? So we want information about Pemulwuy. We've got 3 articles. Let's take a look. That looks good. It looks nice and accessible, which means easy to understand. Okay, that's another article. Notice these icons over here. So this could be a favorite that you tag. You print it from here. You can email the link to yourself. It might be a great article, you want to find it easily later on. Email it to yourself to cite it. Hit the cite button and you can just copy that and put that on your reference list. How useful. To get the text bigger, to get the text smaller, and to have the text read.
Pemulwuy was an Australian Aboriginal warrior who fought against European settlers in Australia. He led other Aboriginal people in an effort to defend their land against the Europeans who wanted it for their own.
How useful is that? And it even highlights the sections that it's reading for you so that you can follow if that's useful. And notice that it's got these little hyperlinks throughout the text. So you might think, oh, who the hell was Arthur Phillip? And hit that link and you're taken to another set of articles. And remember, we want to get back to the Britannica home page. Just hit the button up here and you can explore for any topic. Britannica Library is a great site. Your parents pay for it with their taxpayer dollars. It is available for everybody in New South Wales. So use the site, it's yours.